Hello, is this the Central Railway Station ticket office?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
I would like to buy a train ticket to London, please.
Certainly. When do you want to travel?
I need to go tomorrow morning.
Let me check the timetable for tomorrow morning.
Thank you. I prefer an early train if possible.
We have a train at 7 a.m. and another at 8:30 a.m.
The 8:30 a.m. train sounds perfect for me.
Great choice. It is a direct express train.
Excellent. How long does the journey take?
It takes exactly 2 hours and 15 minutes.
That is very fast.
Yes, it is one of our fastest routes.
How much is a single ticket?
A standard class single ticket is £45.
Do you have first-class tickets available too?
Yes, a first class ticket is £75.
I will take the standard class, please.
One standard ticket. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just one ticket for me.
Can I have your full name for the booking?
Yes, my name is Emma Smith.
Thank you, Emma. Would you like a window or aisle seat?
A window seat, please? I love looking outside.
Window seat selected. Carriage number 5, seat 12.
Perfect. Where can I pay for this ticket?
You can pay by card or cash right here at the counter.
That is very convenient. Thank you. I will pay by card.
Please tap your card on the reader.
Yes, doing it right now.
Perfect. Let me process the transaction.
All done. The payment is successful on my side.
I see it in the system. Here is your printed ticket.
Could you tell me which platform the train leaves from?
The 8:30 a.m. train to London leaves from platform 3.
Platform 3. Is there a coffee shop?
Yes, there is a large cafe right next to it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a safe journey tomorrow.